In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit captions on Clipchamp quickly and easily. If you've used automatic captions and noticed a typo, a wrong word, or timing that feels slightly off, don't worry. Clipchamp makes it simple to fix everything in just a few clicks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to access your captions, edit the text, and make sure your video looks clean and professional. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. This can be an existing project where you've already generated captions, or a new project where captions have been added. Once your project loads, make sure your video is visible in the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Now, look above the preview window. You'll see several options in the top toolbar related to your video settings. From here, click on the Captions option. This is where Clipchamp stores and manages your automatic or manual captions. When you click on Captions, you'll see the Caption panel open, showing the generated text segments that are synced with your video's audio. To start making changes, click on Edit Captions. This will allow you to directly modify the text that appears on screen. You'll now see each caption segment broken up into smaller sections that match the timing of your video. If you notice a spelling mistake, incorrect word, punctuation issue, or even formatting that doesn't look right, simply click on the specific caption text you want to change. Once you click into the text box, your cursor will appear, and you can type just like you would in any regular text editor. Delete incorrect words, add new ones, fix capitalization, or adjust punctuation as needed. The changes are saved automatically, so you don't need to worry about pressing a save button every time you make an edit. As you make changes, you can play the video in the preview window to ensure the captions match the audio correctly. This is especially helpful if the automatic transcription misunderstood certain words, names, or technical terms. Take your time going through each caption block to make sure everything is accurate and easy to read. Clean captions not only make your videos more accessible, but also improve viewer retention and professionalism. If needed, continue clicking through each caption segment and updating the wording until you're satisfied with the final result. Once you're done editing, simply preview the video one more time to double-check that everything flows naturally and appears at the right moments. And that's it. That's how you edit captions on Clipchamp. As you can see, it's a very straightforward process, and making small corrections can make a big difference in the overall quality of your video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Clipchamp guides and video editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.